Hi students, the topic is the last lesson. Yesterday we have read that Mr. Hamel is in the classroom and the author is so frightened and the room is full of the students, and what happens there we will read here. But nothing happened. M. Hamel saw me and said very kindly, "Go to your place quickly, little friends. We were beginning without you." M. Hamel ने फ्रेंच से कहा, अरे नन्हे से फ्रेंच, हम तो आपके बिना ही चैप्टर को शुरू करने जा रहे थे। I jumped over the bench and sat at my desk. Not till then, when I had got a little over my fright, did I see that our teacher had on his beautiful green coat. Mr. Hamel was just addressing and he addressed little French. When French was confident, he saw that his teacher has wore green coat, shirt, and the little black silk cap, all embroidered, that he never wore except on the inspection and prize days. Mr. Hamel was looking his best clothes. As usual, he was in those clothes in the prize days or the inspection days. Beside, the whole school seemed so strange. Everything was looking so strange for him and solemn, but the thing that surprised me most was to see on the back benches that they were always empty. The village people sitting quietly like ourselves. Old Hauser with his three-cornered hat, the former mayor, the former postmaster, and several other besides. The first time Mr. French realized that there were very well-known persons of that area were gathered, assembled there. Everybody looked sad, and Hauser had brought an old premier thumbed at the edge, and he held it open on his knees with his great specs lying across the pages. Now the Mr. Hauser is going to address the audience. There were students and the renowned person of that areas in the classroom. While I was wondering about it all, M. Hamel mounted his chair and, in the same grave and gentle tone which had used to me, said, "My children, this is the last lesson I shall give you." Mr. Hamel is just going to address the children, and he addressed me in a very gentle voice. And he was saying, "Oh, dear students, this is my last lesson. I am going to teach you. The order has come from Berlin to teach only German in the School of Alaska and the Lorraine. The new master comes tomorrow. This is your last French lesson. I want you to be very attentive." Mr. Hamel's throat choked with and his eyes welled up with tears. And he just addressing, delivering his last chapter, and he was saying, "Oh, my dear children, this is my last lesson, and to be a very attentive." What a thunderclap these words were to me. Oh, इन शब्दों का तो बोला मेरे ऊपर बहुत असर पड़ा. Oh, The wretches, that was what they had put up at the town hall. So he realized, and he recalls the time when he was in the street. The peoples were on before the bulletin board and watching what was written there. My last French lesson. Why? I hardly knew how to write. I should never learn my more. इन शब्दों का मेरे ऊपर बहुत असर पड़ा. अरे अब मैं कैसे सीखूंगा, मैं कैसे पढ़ूंगा. I must stop there then. Oh, how sorry I was for not learning my lesson, for seeking words, acts, or going sliding on the star. He first time realized that I was just wasting my time. I wasted my time. My books that had seemed such a nonsense a while ago, so heavy to carry. My grammar and my history of the saints were old friends now that I couldn't give up. जो किताबें मुझे बहुत बोझ लगती थी, वो आज मुझे अपनी सी लगने लगी. And M. Hamel too. The idea he was going away, that I should never see him again, made me forget all about his ruler and how cranky he was. First time I realized that I have a very much importance of that person. आज मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि मिस्टर हैमल का मेरे जीवन में बहुत ज़्यादा महत्व है. आज तो मुझे उसकी छड़ी भी नहीं लग रही थी. Poor man. It was in honor of the last lesson that he had put on his fine Sunday clothes and now I understood. अब मुझे लगा कि उन्होंने इतने सुंदर कपड़े क्यों पहने हुए. शायद वो अपना लास्ट लेक्चर जो वो डिलीवर करने जा रहे थे. Why the old men of the blazes were sitting there in the back of the rooms. I realized कि लोग जो थे वो वहां पे क्यों इकट्ठे थे. It was because they were sorry to that they had not gone to school more. क्योंकि वो लोग पहले कभी स्कूल नहीं गए थे और उनको स्कूल ना जाने का पता था कि क्या इम्पोर्टेंस होता है. It was their way of thanking our master for his 40 years of faithful service and showing their respect for the country he was theirs no more. Mr. Hamill have served that country for 40 years and they were there to thank Mr. Hamill. That's enough for today. Okay, boys.